Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm once again back on camera, and I have this Nintendo Switch Pro controller this time. So this is a third-party PowerA Nintendo Switch Pro controller, and, well, just hear it for yourself. Yeah, so somebody opened this up, and, well, you can hear that. And also, this Y button is, it's upside down and you can't press on it. So I was told that, yeah, a friend tore down this controller and that happened. So it charges, but it doesn't connect to the Switch anymore. So we're gonna see if I can figure out what's the issue. Even though, as you can tell from some previous videos.
Seriously, how do I take this out? Oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh no, I just ripped out the... Oh my god.
I really do not repair stuff. In fact, I break electronics. So we're just gonna see what happens. So of course we're gonna start with screws and we're gonna go unscrew these. Okay, so I just noticed it looks like there's some missing screws, so there's meant to be one over here. Okay, so there's meant to be a screw in here, here, and down here. And of course, they're not there, so that's already a good sign. Alright. So I think that's all the screws. We can just open this, hopefully, and steadily open this up. Oh, okay. Alright, so there's this piece. That definitely broke off when he tried to open it up. So this is the back of the Pro controller. Yep. Okay. Okay, so there's back, shoulder. Okay, I see. Alright. So... oh, there's the other broken piece, which I assume is meant to go like here. Once again, I have no idea what I'm doing, and I probably should be finding some tear down, but oh well. Let's see what I'll do then. Oh, okay. I'm blind, so there's some black screws over here. We're gonna take these out. Took these out. Now, okay, I think this is how we're gonna get this out, so we just need to, oh, I just realized there's a screw over here. Oh my goodness. Okay, now, there we go. Oh my goodness, okay. Alright, well, let me just, oh, okay, so let me just put this back in. Alright, there we go. We got our joysticks, we got, okay. So apparently this just does not connect. This is quite loose, I think. Yeah, okay, that friend definitely broke something, because this comes out really easily. It should not. I'm gonna go grab my Switch so that I can try turning it on, and then also plugging it in, of course. Okay, so I got my Switch here. It's booting up. We're gonna also grab a cable so we can see if we can turn this on. Okay, so this uses a micro USB, so we're just gonna... oh, wait, I don't think this 90-degree angle can really fit in. Oops. Let me grab another cable then. Okay, grab another... oh, crap. God, that's really loose. Grabbed another micro USB. Let's go plug it in and see if it even turns on. I was told it does turn on though. Okay, so judging from the... oh! Right, don't do that. Oops. Let me pick those up now. Anyways, as I was saying, I was gonna grab this so I can see which button it is to turn on the controller, but I actually have no idea. Yeah, I don't even think this fits in. Wait, no, it doesn't. Bro, why is this so thin? Oh, okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, I just got in. Alright, let's go onto my Switch and head to controls and see if we can find this controller. Alright, so looks like it does not detect it. Either the buttons don't work or... Okay, we're gonna just try to press down these buttons and see if it does anything. Whoa, wait, hold up, what the hell? Wait, whoa, wait. Oh, right, I plugged it into my computer. It thinks it's... oh, right, I'm charging it with my computer, of course. Okay, so I'm plugged it into my computer, and right now the Steam VR, I don't know, wait, let me show this. Oops, the Steam VR keyboard just, yeah. So, here is, oh, it's so hard to deal with one hand. Yeah, oops. I forgot that it won't really do anything because I connected it to my computer. I will just grab a power bank. Oops. Okay, we have a power bank this time. And I don't think I turned it on. Hold up. No, I don't think it's doing anything. Though, I will notice, right? Okay, hold up. So he said that when you plug it in, it turns on. Isn't this just a wired controller? Right, wait, no. Okay, there is no battery. This is just a wired controller. That's right, there's no battery. And it worked when I plugged it into my computer. This is a wired controller, isn't it? Oops. So wait, okay. Since it's a wired controller, let me grab my USB-C. Oh goodness, it's so hard. USB-C adapter. Put that in. Okay, let's plug it into the Switch. Okay. And we have the wired USB controller. Okay. Okay, let's go test this. So let's go to test input devices, test controller buttons. Okay. Okay, it looks like those work. Okay. Now let's test the joysticks. Yeah, works as expected. Okay, next one. Oops. Yeah, it works as completely expected. So I think the problem is he just thought this is just a wired controller. That's the entire problem. Although that Y button was pretty screwed up, so I'll fix that for him. So yeah, this does just work. It's just a wired controller, so he's just gonna have to plug it into his dock or use a adapter here. So yeah, problem solved. Let's put this back together. Okay, so I just put it back together. This, oops. Let's see if I can adjust it well. Alright, so I've just put it back together finally. and now everything seems to be fine. Alright, so we're gonna go grab my switch again and plug it in to my switch and just double check to make sure everything works. Alright, there we go, light, and alright, there we go, and let's head on over to settings, test input devices, test controllers. Alright, now head into control sticks. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Alright, the wired Pro controller, and it does work, so this is just wired. That's the entire reason why it's not quote unquote connecting. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So yeah, Nintendo Switch Pro controller repair. Well, slight repair, cause the main problem of it not connecting is because it's a wired controller. I'm pretty sure he thought it was wireless, so yeah. But it's just a wired controller, it needs to be plugged into the console to work, but everything else is fine. I just had to fix the Y button because obviously that was not put in properly. So the only problem with this really is just the missing screws over there, but not a big deal. The controller itself works fine. So yeah. Also, lesson learned, first realized there's no battery. So well, not lesson learned, just I'm just stupid. You already know that, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do whatever on whatever platform you're on, and don't be an idiot like me. Yeah. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time.